Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to AiZen Tools.
This entire dashboard was built from a simple idea, step by step, using AI. No massive setup, no endless coding sessions, just a conversation with an intelligent development partner. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I built this marketing dashboard from scratch using Verdent AI, starting from nothing but an idea and ending with a fully functional website.
Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and share in the comments which AI you want me to review after this one.
The goal for this project is simple: create a modern website marketing dashboard that helps visualize key performance data, but instead of jumping straight into writing code, we're going to follow the workflow that Verdent is designed for. That means starting with an idea, letting the AI help shape that idea, turning it into a clear plan, and then executing that plan using intelligent tasks that build the project step by step. So the very first thing I do is describe the idea. I tell Verdent that I want to build a website marketing dashboard, something modern, clean, and easy to read, with visual analytics and interactive components. The interesting thing about Verdent is that it doesn't immediately start generating code. Instead, it tries to understand the project better. It asks questions, suggests improvements, and helps refine the concept. For example, it might ask what kind of metrics should be displayed, whether the dashboard should support multiple websites, or what kind of visual components we want to include. This step is incredibly helpful because it turns a vague idea into something structured and clear. Once the idea is refined, the next step is switching into planning mode. Planning mode is where Verdent takes the concept and breaks it down into a real development roadmap. Instead of guessing how to build everything, the platform organizes the project into logical components. For our dashboard, that might include the front-end interface, the data layer, the analytics components, and the chart visualizations. It also suggests technologies, folder structures, and development steps. At this stage, we review the plan together and make sure everything makes sense before writing any code. This planning phase is powerful because it mirrors how experienced developers approach large projects. Rather than rushing straight into building features, we first create a clear architecture. Once the plan looks good, we approve it and move forward with execution. Now the fun part begins. Verdent allows us to create tasks that implement different parts of the plan. Instead of handling everything sequentially, we can run multiple tasks simultaneously using isolated workspaces. For example, one task can focus on creating the dashboard layout, while another works on setting up data models for marketing metrics. Each task operates independently, which keeps the code organized and prevents conflicts between different features being developed at the same time. As the AI agents start working, we can see the progress in real time. Verdent generates code, modifies files, and explains the changes it's making. This transparency is important because it keeps us in control of the project. We can review the code, approve modifications, and adjust the direction if needed. At this stage, I also want the interface to feel modern and professional, not just functional. So instead of manually configuring everything, I open the skills section inside Verdent. Skills are essentially reusable capabilities that let AI agents perform specialized tasks more effectively. Here we can enable tools designed for front-end work and UI development. For example, there are skills for front-end design, implementing visual layouts, and even integrating design workflows from tools like Figma. By enabling these skills, Verdent gains more context about how to structure modern interfaces and how to generate production-ready UI components. This means the AI doesn't just create basic pages, it understands how to organize layouts, build clean components, and follow professional front-end practices. Using these skills, we create tasks focused specifically on improving the dashboard's visual quality. The agents can now generate cleaner layouts, structured components, and responsive design patterns. Instead of static blocks of information, the interface becomes more polished and organized. Charts appear with smooth transitions, panels are structured in a clear hierarchy, and interactive elements behave the way users expect from modern web applications. Because these skills encode best practices, the generated UI follows patterns that developers normally spend a lot of time implementing manually. What's powerful about this approach is that we're not just telling the AI to make the UI better, we're giving it the capabilities to actually do it. With the right skills enabled, Verdent can generate higher quality components, maintain consistency across the project, and apply design logic across the entire dashboard. As a result, the interface begins to feel like a real product rather than just a prototype. Another important step in the process is code review. After tasks finish generating code, we take a moment to inspect what was created. Verdant summarizes the modifications and highlights the important changes. This allows us to understand how the system implemented different features and verify that everything matches the original plan. If something needs improvement, we can simply ask Verdant to refine the implementation or optimize the code. Instead of spending hours figuring out where to start, tools like Verdant help guide the entire journey from concept to completion. And as AI development environments continue evolving, this kind of workflow might soon become the standard way we build software.